Is dropping $5 million to build a giant metal tunnel just to spray soapy water on cars an absurd financial decision? To most people, yes. But to private equity firms, it's the perfect blueprint for automated wealth. Today, we are exposing the car wash glitch. Historically, washing cars was a terrible business. It was a weather-dependent, labor-intensive nightmare. You were managing a small army of minimum-wage employees, and your profits disappeared every time it rained. It was the ultimate labor trap. Then came the express tunnel model. By replacing human labor with a massive, automated conveyor belt, the business transformed overnight. Labor costs plummeted to near zero, and volumes skyrocketed. But the real glitch wasn't the machinery. It was the subscription model. Car washes adopted the gym membership strategy. For $20 a month, you get unlimited washes. Suddenly, an unpredictable, weather-based business became a machine with highly predictable, recurring revenue. The psychology is brilliant. Most subscribers wash their car maybe once a month, or they forget entirely. It costs the business fractions of a cent in water and electricity, but they collect the monthly fee regardless. We call this the ghost customer. But this goes deeper than soap and water. These automated washes sit on prime commercial real estate. The car wash simply pays the mortgage while the land perfectly appreciates in value. And then there is the ultimate shield, the tax glitch. Because an express car wash is basically 80% heavy machinery, the tax code allows for massive bonus depreciation. You can write off a huge portion of the purchase price in year one. You create giant paper losses to legally wipe out your taxes, all while the business prints actual cash. This perfect storm of subscriptions, real estate, and tax write-offs is why Wall Street is invading and buying them all up. It's not just a car wash. It's an automated, tax-sheltered real estate bank. It's ruthless, it's boring, and it prints cash. Next time you drive past a shiny new express tunnel, you aren't looking at a cleaning service. You're looking at a masterclass in financial engineering. Subscribe to Drafted Assets for more blueprints on automated wealth.